Baby Amara's family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Clap hands. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Maris! Mara! Yay!
Happy birthday.
Jesus.
Unicorn, tambo kaya.
Jesus. Kalungaton pag yun.
Anteo?
Effort dahil ka, ngunti ayon. Nasa gilid ko na.
So, ang imong ingon is, Happy birthday, Amara! Sa pinakataas na taas, yun mo siya para ikaw makadaog. Okay?
I-updatein mo ha, i-updatein mo
Oh,
ha.
and then guys, duwan tayo tag-iham ha. Tabangan natin iham. Okay, let's start.
Yes.
Okay, say, Happy birthday, Amara!
Happy birthday, Amara.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Ene, unsa man imong name lang ga?
Well, Justin Canedo.
Yay!
Sige, Bray. So, kabal na ka. Mag-stay ka on Happy birthday, Amara! Ready na ba tag-ihap, guys?
Ready?
Happy birthday, Amara! Go!
Happy birthday, Amara.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah!
Ene.
Ka na! Sana! Ka na! Oh, ka na!
Sige, ang name mo lang ga? Sige, so ready na ka? Go!
Yes! 3, 4, 5, 6.
Balik kailan ka. Small pero incredible task kay Tingog. Ene, unsa man imong name?
Isa.
Ay, isa anak na.
Ito. Mama dire.
Yeah.
Ito tayo mama.
Happy birthday, Amara. Go!
Happy birthday, Amara.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Isa sunod. Ene, murag kahit ni. Sige, si pangalan niyo. Sige, so start na. Ready?
Happy birthday, Amara.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Sige. So, ang atong winner is si Ashley! 13! Pero kamusta na makadaog, maka-receive mo og prize. Sige! Napaa.
Thank you.
Sige, lang ba tayo?
Paunahan, mumuling ko.
Sige, gusto.
Tuyok.
Okay, dance! Tuyok!
Tuyok ha, pag mohono, kailangan makalingkod ha. Ah, di na. Ay, di man ka sayaw,
Dance! Na! Sige! Kiyay!
Nay, busy in dance, ane?
Masalangga. Hakot!
Nay, busy in dance, ane dito?
Ay, ang mga muga-muga.
Maro may isa, naglingkod na na.
Out na!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow mo, blow mo.
Lying exactly where you left it.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mara! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon for my next vlog.